I will be taking a look at the Big Squeeze Tube Squeezer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I'll be taking a look at the Big Squeeze Tube Squeezer today. This was sent to me by the company to review. It retails for $30 and I have the link in the description below. So let's begin. The Big Squeeze is available in 5 different colors on the website. You can choose from hot pink, lime green, orange, royal blue, and silver. We will be taking a look at the royal blue. This tool can be used for medications, cosmetics, artist paints, hair products, glues, caulks, and toothpaste. It basically allows you to utilize the product and eliminate waste. The tool has an ergonomic grip, easy to use, it's dishwasher safe, can fit tubes up to 3 inches wide, and works on all metal, flexible, and rigid plastic tubes. My first impressions of this tool is that it's very solid. The body is metal, and then the gears are aluminum. It feels good in the hands, very sturdy. You can see here, lifting the handle is how you would open up the gears so you can insert the tube. Here is the branding on the handle, and it's also made in the USA. So let's demonstrate on how this works. I have here just a tube of toothpaste. So I'll begin by opening up the handle a little bit so I can insert the tube from the top. And just give it a few turns here. It doesn't take much effort. It just slides through. And you can see the toothpaste just coming out with ease. Now taking it out of the tool, you can see that the contents have been pushed up. There's virtually no waste left behind. Now we'll use this smaller toothpaste tube and see how it works. Again, just a few turns and all the contents are pushed out. It's very easy to use. And finally, we'll try it on this acrylic paint for artists. This one is a metal tube. It was able to handle that with no issues. The Big Squeeze Tube Squeezer. This is a great tool that can be used for home or in the business setting. It really allows you to fully utilize the contents of your products and eliminate waste. This tool is not flimsy at all and very well constructed. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.